Hi there, friends. It's Josie. Yeah, I'm moving my room around again. I know. But you know what? You need to do it every once in a while because I found so much dust on the floor and it's just ridiculous. Oh my gosh. And like this spot needs to be cleaned right there because I spilled something. I don't remember what it was, but I spilled it. And it'll just come right up. And so I've already moved part of this stuff and I boxed up a ton of my dolls and I don't know why, but the ceiling fan, I guess, and the windows, they let in a lot of junk. I mean, because look at this poor girl's hair. It shouldn't look like that. That's terrible. And I'm breathing in all that stuff. It's just gross. It's so gross in here. So, I have to dust all this. I've already stripped the bed. The stuff was washed. It's kind of drying outside. I have to bring it in because it's supposed to rain again. And I've already rolled up the rug right there. Already moved these over. I moved the bed from this corner. So now I'm just rearranging everything all over. So I'll give you a look at it once I'm done. We'll see what it looks like. Guys, such a mess. Oh, God. All right. Wish me luck. Okay, hi there, friends. This is Josie, and I wanted to show you my room real quick before I do my chores. And here it is. Okay, here is, of course, my rack. These are with my lighter clothes and my jackets and things like that. And all my boots are underneath here. You can't really see them, but they are. Okay, these are my closets on the right. And here's just my rack this is where I put my clothes at as I'm getting ready for the day. And then over here is to the bathroom. And it's where I shoot a lot of my videos and things like that because it has a mirror, 2 mirrors. Here's one over here. And then here's my other mirror. Okay, there's that. And my makeup and things like that. I had to separate my 2 dressers, which I'm really kind of bummed about because it was really easy to stand in the middle of them and pull from both. So I can't do that anymore, unfortunately. And I have to lower this. That's the only thing I really have to do is lower this, why can't I think of it? This picture. Because it's up way too high. It was fine where it was at before, but now I have to lower it. I haven't done that yet. Here's my bed. It's a little bit scrunchy right now, but it's really super comfortable. I love it where it's at right now. And I can get around it if I need to, you know, change the blankets and things like that. I am going to work on the green, they're blackout curtains, the green ones are, and the other ones are called daylight or whatever, so they don't let it in the day in here, which is really good. I'm kind of a real stickler about having, because these two windows go to like my back. It's weird. I have this thing about having people peek in my windows or whatever. And I do have a peeping Tom that lives in back of me. So, okay, there you go. All right. So I have to have like blackout curtains kind of, you know, and since this is my bedroom, hence the blackout curtains. Okay. So, then this is just stuff that I moved around. Basically, my bed was over here on this wall and I just moved it to the opposite. And I thought it'd be a real pain in the behind, but the way I have it, it was real easy to move. I didn't even pick up the mattresses, so that was really nice. And this is my Edwardian / steampunk dollhouse. So that was really, you can tell which is the better of the 2 shelves. You can really tell which is an old IKEA shelf. And then this is just the other dresser, which was really nice to clean up. Oh my gosh. And I got in there and cleaned up the top of that one. It was really good to clean that out. So, and then I just moved my rug over, and then there's my dancing ballerinas right there. And then I cleaned out my cleaned off my chair so I could actually sit in it. This is my chair I never give my mom the money for. I really, every time I sit in it, I'm thinking, wow, this is such a nice chair, and I never gave mom the money for this chair. So she'd always ask me, you got that $20? And I'm like, yeah, get that for you. Never did. So, and there's a great big pillow of Sig, which he's still near and dear to my heart. So, and there's almost Sig and not quite Sig right there, or vice versa. And then there's Barnaby Rock right there too. He's underneath my Betsy Johnson bag. So, and then there's little Van Cat right here. So anyway, that's it. That's pretty much it. Just got to lower the like I said, lower the picture and then do something with the curtains, because this is a color that I mixed together right here. And it's like a grayish green, which is fine, but those two green ones don't really go in here per se, and they're old, and I really just need to get rid of them, but I just don't want to spend money on new ones. I already bought the two. They were supposed to be pearl, and they don't really look pearl to me, and because they're against a white, so I'm kind of like, they should have been more whiter or more, I don't know, something, but not the color that they are. So I'm kind of like stuck right now. Anyway, but it looks fine because they go with the rug. So, you know, what do you do? Okay, this is it. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye.